In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move slides on Google Slides. By the end, you'll know the simplest, quickest ways to rearrange your slides so your presentation flows exactly the way you want. First, open your presentation in Google Slides. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the slide thumbnails in a vertical panel. This is your control center for organizing your deck. The easiest way to move a slide is to use drag and drop. Click once on the slide you want to move in that left panel to select it. Now, click and hold your mouse button and drag the slide up or down through the list. As you move, watch for a thin horizontal line that appears between slides. That line shows exactly where the slide will land. When the line is in the right place, release the mouse button. Your slide will snap into its new spot instantly. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If your deck is long, scroll the left panel as you drag and take your time. Nothing will break if you move slowly. If you misplace a slide, just drag it again. You can also press undo if you need to revert a change. If dragging feels tricky on your device or trackpad, there's a reliable alternative: cut and paste. Start by clicking the slide you want to move in the left panel. Press Ctrl+X to cut it. On a Mac, use Command+X. Don't worry, the slide isn't gone. It's on your clipboard. Next, click the new position in the left panel. A simple way is to click the slide you want your move slide to follow. Finally, press Ctrl+V or Command+V on a Mac to paste. The slide will appear in its new place, preserving your content and formatting. If you're working on a phone or tablet, the idea is the same as drag and drop on desktop. Open your presentation, press and hold the thumbnail of the slide you want to move, then drag it to the new spot in the list and release. Look for the placement line if it appears and adjust until you're happy with the position. To recap, use the left thumbnail panel for everything. Drag and drop is the fastest on a computer, press and hold plus drag works on mobile, and cut and paste is a dependable backup when dragging isn't convenient. That's all you need to quickly reorganize your slides and keep your story flowing.